Zuri and Freddy. On behalf of the International Animals of Space Organization, thank you for accepting the space exploration project. You should have received the tasks already. It's very important that you complete each task on time. I'll see you this afternoon for the video log check-in. Good luck.
Do you think we'll see any aliens? I hope we see aliens. Let's take a look at the tasks.
We have a problem, though. I don't know how to use these clocks. They aren't like those I have at home.
Oh, it's not that hard. We can skip count by fives to help us.
Telling time to 5 minutes. Let's take a look at what Zuri and Freddy need to complete today. Zuri and Freddy need to start collecting space dust. But at what time? Start by finding the hour. We can do this by finding the last number the shorthand, or the hour hand, last passed. Here, the last number the hour hand passed was 12. So the hour is 12. Then, skip count or count forward by fives to the minute hand or the long hand. When we skip count on an analog clock, we make hops around the clock, and every number we land on stands for 5 minutes. Count out loud with us. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We skip counted by fives to the minute hand and got to 45. So the minute is 45. If we put the hour and minute together, we get the time. 12:45. After that, Zuri and Freddy need to polish the rings on Saturn. Let's find out what time it is on the schedule by skip counting with fives. Start by finding the hour. Can you find the last number the hour hand passed? The hour is 1. Then we can skip count by fives to get the minute. Skip count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20. So the minute is 20. If we put the hour and minute together, our time is 1:20. Now, Zuri and Freddy need to rearrange the stars to make a new constellation. But at what time? Remember to start by finding the hour, first by looking at the last number the hour hand passed. What is the hour shown here? The hour is 2. What about the minute? Let's skip count by fives to find the minute. What minute did you get to? If we skip count by fives, we get the minute 25. Let's put the hour and minute together. Our time is 2:25. Zuri and Freddy are very busy in space and need to count how many moons there are around Jupiter. What time do Zuri and Freddy need to do that? Remember to start by finding the hour. Which hour did you find? Next, skip count by fives to get to the minute hand. Then, put the hour and minute together. What time did you get? The hour is 3, and the minute is 50. So the time is 3:50. Before we check in with the Space Commander, let's summarize. Remember, when telling time to 5 minutes, you start by finding the hour or the last number the shorthand has passed. Then, you can find the minutes by skip counting or counting forward by 5s. Once you have the hour and minute, you can put them together to find the time.
So, how was the mission? Did you see anything unusual?
Everybody thinks Jupiter has 53 moons, but I counted 79.
We completed everything on the list. It was pretty normal. I was kind of hoping we'd see some aliens or something.